Hey, my people. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can stay up to date on hot stuff we got coming at you. So today, we are going to do some Oreo cookie nails in honor of the 110th anniversary of my favorite cookie. I've done these before on my Instagram page, but I wanted to show everybody how it's done because it was a really popular post. So we're going to start here with my little finger. I'm only going to do one finger, not the whole hand, just so you guys can get the gist of how it's done. I'm roughening up that surface before we start. I'm going to use some of the Young Nails Synergy Gel Base. This is a nice base coat that I use for everything. You don't just have to use it for hard gel. This is part of the hard gel system, but like I said, you can use it for other stuff. And now we'll put down Young Nails gel in white. This is also part of their hard gel line, and I love this bottle. It makes it so easy to put down the gel on the nail. I love this for hard gel. I actually need to get some more because I only have a white and a nude, I think, right now, and I really want to get the clear because it will make encapsulation a dream. And so we just glide that up the nail, going back and forth side to side. And for this application, it doesn't need to be smooth because we're going to press our Oreos down into it. So we're just going to go side to side up the nail. For this, we don't want to bake it because we are going to do Oreos pieces. And I just crumbled up my Oreo cookies and tried to crumble them up into some miscellaneous sized pieces. And then we're just going to push those into the nail. I'm just picking them up with a gel brush and just pushing it into the hard gel. We're doing some little crumbs, and then some bigger pieces. And we do that all the way up the nail. And then we go ahead and bake that. Now we can encapsulate it. We encapsulate it with Young Nails be clear, and we want to encapsulate it enough to where it covers up our Oreos so that we don't end up filing them off. We're all encapsulated. Now we can bake, and I went ahead and filed into shape off screen, and now we get to do the top coat. Look at that baby shine. And you can see how cool it looks with the Oreos underneath the surface. It really looks like the Oreos with the icing, and I want to eat it, but I might die. And we got it all baked, and there we go. And I just wanted to add some cuteness to it and use these little Mickey charms that I have. They look like little Oreos. So I'm gluing them on with some hard gel because it's a big piece. I'm gonna just plop that bad boy right there. I'm gonna flash cure it for a moment. It stick in place. And then we can go ahead and bake it. And here's my finished product. Happy birthday to my favorite little cookie. And I hope you guys like this little nail design. And if you do like, go ahead and hit that like button, leave me a comment, and subscribe. It really helps this channel out. And remember, kindness is key. Be who you be and dream big. Bye-bye.